This is a Trane XL15i heat pump at my grandmother's neighbor's house. Should turn on any minute now. It's not the XL20i, but it's a Trane. I wanted to get a video of a Trane today. Manufactured in June of 2009. It's a 3.5 ton. There it goes. Disconnect box. And these are for the house next door. It did not originally come with dual zone, but the owner put in dual zone when the original unit died. There's a York Affinity 3S and a Stellar series, but I don't know those people, so all I can really do is just get kind of, yep, get kind of like a little video of them not running.
Okay, Charlie, take care.
Okay, thank you. Just wait until this shuts off. So yeah, this has the Climate-Tough compressor. All right, go ahead. So yeah, this is a 2009 Trane XL15i 3.5 ton heat pump. Just like my grandmother's, the system has a gas boiler tied into it. Yeah, and as I was saying, the house next door did not originally have dual zone. There it goes. The compressor just shut off, and there goes the fan. And it has a GE fan motor. It looks like it says GE Eon. Shut off! Thought I heard someone on the back porch. Yeah, that seems like it's enough airflow right there. This is a big-ass unit. And that is indicative of a defrost cycle at some point, unless that's just residual water from when it was raining. But yeah, 2009 Trane XL15i, 3.5 ton heat pump, running in heat mode, and 2 York heat pumps at the house next door. Affinity series, 3S, and a Stellar series that looks pretty much identical to the unit at Puck. And this one's obviously a larger cooling capacity, so I'm going to take some pictures of this unit right here for the upcoming Trane Like a Rock mashup. I did a Ream, and now by popular demand I'm going to do a Trane Like a Rock mashup, since Trane and Ream are my 2 top favorite brands. Well, Ream and Root, since they're the same damn thing. There's the gas meter. It has propane backup heat. Alright. Nice Trane XLi. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.